Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're diving into one of Saudi Arabia's most impressive engineering marvels, the Al Haramain High-Speed Rail, connecting the bustling Jeddah Airport to the holy cities of Mecca and Medina. But what truly sets the Al Haramain train apart is its incredible speed. Traveling at speeds of up to 300 km per hour, it swiftly whisks you away from Jeddah Airport to the sacred cities of Mecca and Medina in record time. We will be traveling to Medina today. As soon as you exit after collecting your luggage, you will see a big aquarium. Just pass by the aquarium and you will see train departure board from far. There are train station signs too, so you can't miss it. It's literally 3 to 5 minutes walk after collecting luggage exit to station. You can book train tickets in advance as it'll be cheaper and less hassle. Our train was booked for 3 hours after landing time and it was plenty of time. We sat at the station after checking in and still had an hour. Each passenger can bring one large-sized piece of luggage with up to 25 kilograms. Besides, passenger will be able to carry one extra hand luggage, backpack, laptop bag, camera bag, purse, nursery bag and any similar items. There is plenty of space to put your luggage in train. Our 2 bags were 3 to 4 centimeters bigger in length, excluding wheels, but no one stopped us. We were 2 adults and 2 kids. You need to scan each passenger's ticket separately to go through the barrier. Just make sure to zoom in your ticket on phone and then scan it. Once you go through the barriers, you will notice Mecca trains are on left and Medina on right. There is a seating area so you can sit based on your destination. Seating area gets opened 1 hour prior to the departure. Gates to go through to the train opens up 10 minutes prior to the departure. We had 1 hour so we prayed and ate in the seating area. We were very upset whether 3 hours would be enough. What if we missed the train, but it was more than enough time. If you miss the train, ticket is non-refundable. We are on our way to board the train. We are very excited as we have heard a lot about this high-speed train. On ticket, it shows the cabin and seat number, so please make sure to board the correct seat. Feel free to ask them as they have got people who can assist to find your cabin. It's listed outside each cabin too. Please make sure kids board the train safely as there is a gap between train and platform. My daughter got hurt there. It was a long train so our cabin was a bit far. Make sure to put your luggage on the racks near your seats. As you can see, 2 of our bags were slightly bigger than the required dimensions, but we had no issues putting them on the racks. The trains run on their schedule, so our train left the platform at sharp 1 p.m. It reached Medina in 1 hour 45 minutes, the same time they mentioned. The seats were comfortable. There was an electric power and USB outlet in between 2 seats. They do serve snacks and drinks in between the journey, but you have to pay for it. There is a cafeteria as well where you can buy food. Train is very smooth. We felt asleep as we were tired and woke up near Medina. It was a pleasant journey overall. You will see some camels on the way and also notice that initially there are dry mountains, but as you are approaching near Medina there is more greenery. Haram is about 20 minutes taxi ride from Medina station and cost about 40 Saudi Riyal. If you get Uber it's a bit cheaper. I use taxi to travel to Mecca from Medina and then to Jeddah Airport from Mecca because it's easier. With train you have to first go to train station and then take taxi on other end too. I made this video as I had a lot of concerns before traveling, so please do share with others, and if anyone has any questions please feel free to comment and I will try to get back to you.